Here in Toronto, community fridges are quietly transforming how we tackle food waste and insecurity. These volunteer-run refrigerators operate 24/7 on a take what you need, leave what you can basis. As of recent data, there are about 8 community fridge locations across the city. You'll find them in neighborhoods like Parkdale, Trinity, Bellwoods, Chinatown, East York. These fridges help reduce food waste, build mutual aid, and ensure nutritious food is available, no questions asked. So, support a community fridge near you because sharing food is caring for our city.